Hello, today I'm going to show you a tool for removing splinters out of your skin. Boom! This is the Remos Splinter tweezers in stainless steel. And you can see on the left side, it's a really deep impact of a splinter in human skin. And this is so uncomfortable to have this. And it's dangerous because of the injuries. But there is a solution for it. The Remos Splinter tweezers. Item number 7319P. It's available in various colors. Satin. This is not rubberized, like mine here. And dark blue, fuchsia, yellow and red. This is for our complete satisfaction. The tweezers tips have been exactly aligned with one another. We can easily remove splinters, or we can dig into the skin to remove deeper splinters with that tweezers. Our efforts with these tweezers will always result in our full satisfaction because the splinter tweezers are specially built for splinters. Yeah, grab the small splinters. The tweezers tips are so precisely aligned with one another that they can grasp even the smallest splinter. And we have a stainless steel surface. The tweezers have an exquisite stainless steel surface that can quickly and easily be cleaned and disinfected after the task or before. And because of this, it has a long lifespan. These Remos tweezers are made of stainless steel. They have been crafted to the highest quality, and so they have a long lifespan. And we will also receive a protective case in which to store our tweezers, though they are always protected and they will last as long as possible. The lengths are 9.5 centimeters, that are 3.7 inches. And you can see it is easy to dig a hole until you can reach the splinter. Tweezers are small tools used for picking up objects too small to be easily handled with the human fingers. These tools are most likely derived from tongs, pincers, or scissors like pliers, used to grab or hold hot objects since the dawn of recorded history. In a scientific or medical context, they are normally referred to as forceps. Tweezers make use of two third-class levers connected at one fixed end. The fulcrum point of each lever, with the pincers at the others. People commonly use tweezers mainly to tasks such as plucking hair from the face or eyebrows, often using the term eyebrow tweezers. But this here is another kind of tweezer. So you can see tweezers have a so big task or object to handle this. And this tweezer here is especially made for splinters. And for this, you should use the Remos Splinter tweezers in satin, rust-resistant, stainless steel, precision cut, gripping areas for the effortless removal of splinters. And you can see the splinter task is nearly done. All fragments of the splinter are removed easily and nearly pain-free. This is the Remos Splinter tweezers stainless steel, and with that you can easily remove splinters. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.